Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I create this super cute tweed inspired look with a little touch of pumpkin, perfect for any last minute Halloween look or even for fall. Hope you enjoyed this video, and if you do, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up and also leave a comment down below. Also, hit the subscribe button while you're at it. So in this look, I wanted to use my natural nails. As you can see, they have grown super beautifully and long, so I just wanted to take advantage of that, as I usually never grow out my natural nails. I'm always doing acrylics. So the first thing I'm going to do is prep them, as I do have a gel base and top coat on it from a couple days before. So I'm just going to take a fine sanding band with my e-file, and I'm going to quickly get rid of any shine on my nails to roughen up the surface so the gel polish will stick. So I just continue buffing out all of my nails with the e-file, making sure that all of the shine is off of it, also making sure that there are no oils left behind. And to ensure that there are no oils left behind, I do go in with some alcohol and wipe my nails clean just to further dehydrate them. This just makes sure that the enhancements last a lot longer. So for my base color, I am using an off-white color. You can use whatever you would like, but I wanted to go with this beige tone for the base. So whenever I am doing nail art, whether be it on myself or on clients, I like to start off with the nail art nails first and get that over with, and then I will go on and paint rest of my nails. I just feel like it's a little bit more easier for me to do it that way rather than painting all of the nails and then doing the nail design. So again, this is just my preference, but I like to do my nail art fingers first. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply 2 coats of this onto my nail art fingers first and cure them in between each layer for 60 seconds. Next, I'm just going to take a white nail polish and I'm going to do a quick faint outline of the pumpkin. I just feel like it helps me to make sure that all of the strokes are within the guide. So I'm just using this as a guide for where my nail design and my pumpkin is going to be. So for my tweed, I decided to go with an orange, a nice pumpkin-y orange, a nice blue because I love the contrast between the two colors, as well as black just to add some depth into it. So for the tweed design, I'm going to start off with the orange and apply a bit of product on my brush, and I'm going to start off by putting little tiny strokes vertically as well as horizontally, and I'm going to continue doing that with every single color until I am happy with how it looks. I'm also going to do it for the pumpkin nail as well. So when I am done with the pattern, I did decide to go ahead and outline it with this beautiful chrome gel from Born Pretty. and I'm just outlining it. I have multiple videos on how I create this pumpkin as my camera did cut off in this tutorial, but I will be leaving that in the eye above. Next, I'm just going to go in and paint rest of my nails with 2 coats of this polish just to make sure that it's nice and opaque. If you do get some polish onto your skin accidentally, you can take a small brush with some alcohol on it and wipe it clean quickly, as you do not want to keep the gel polish onto your skin for too long, as you can develop allergies that way. And the next step is obviously to go ahead and put some top coat onto it. You can use a matte top coat or a glossy top coat, whatever finish you like. But for this look, I decided to go with a glossy top coat. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that to all of my nails. And then to finish them off, I'm going to apply some cuticle oil. Never forget your cuticle oil. It's so important for your nail health. I love how these nails turned out. I think they're super chic and super cute for any last minute fall nails or Halloween nails. Anyone can do this as it takes literally no time. All it is some tiny strokes. You can use whatever color you want with any combinations. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please again do not forget to hit the subscribe button. Also leave me a comment down below. If you do recreate this, be sure to tag me. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!